Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video. Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I'm not sure if you can hear it's raining very heavily outside right now. It's nice to have some nice spicy Korean dish tonight for dinner. So I have prepared here some pork. I'm going to make a spicy pork stir fry, Korean style. I remember when I was studying in New Zealand, Auckland, some 20 over years ago, this is a must order dish. Yeah, I always order this dish when I go to any Korean restaurant. It is basically using pork slices, stir frying with some, this is Gochujang, yeah, the Korean red chili paste, and also this is what, gochugaru or something like that, the Korean red chili flakes. Now, the thing about Korean red chili flakes is this: they are generally two types. One type is the normal spicy, another one is the extra spicy. So try to get the normal spicy one. The extra spicy can be very, very spicy. And they have also have flakes and also powder. Usually I will choose to buy the flakes type, yeah, the chili flakes, red chili flakes. Usually you need to buy from the Korean mart. Not easy to get from normal supermarket. All right. So you have, of course, you also have the red gochujang, the chili paste. This is sweet. Yeah. Actually, the chili itself also has a little bit of sweetness. Some people may ask, Appa, can I use our local red chili powder? No. It tastes different aroma. You really have to use the Korean red chili flakes. Go and look for Shopee, got a lot. Not difficult to find. And of course, you'll be using some Korean sesame oil, also very, very fragrant. And not forgetting, Appa is going to put in some of my Cooking Appa chicken powder. Yeah, 100% chicken powder. All this, I will try, all the ingredients I use, I will put it inside the video description. You can go and search for where you can buy online. And I have approximately 300 grams of sliced meat here. You can use any part of the meat that you like. Pork belly also can, up to you, but usually they use lean meat for this particular stir-fry dish. And when you cut the meat, make sure you always cut against the grain so that the meat itself will be more tender, okay, against the grain. Then normally they will put in some veggie inside. This is half of big onion or yellow onion. This is 1 to 2 stalks of green onion, and this is half of a carrot, julienne carrots, and we have a bit of chopped ginger and chopped garlic. So this dish in Korea, very easy. They will marinate the whole thing. After that, then just stir fry. That's it. Alright, so you get ready a bowl, a big bowl. You're going to start with putting in approximately 2 tablespoons full of gochujang. This is spicy and sweet at the same time. This is 2 tablespoons of Korean red chili powder. More for the color, it gives you very nice, beautiful reddish color, and also the chili aroma, but not too spicy, yeah, because I chose the not spicy type, yeah, remember. And after that, we will put in some rice wine. I'm using Shao Hsing wine. A bit of light soy sauce, a bit of fish sauce, we will give it a bit of sugar, some salt, to give it some umami flavor. I'm going to put in some of my 100% homemade chicken powder. About half teaspoon will do. And put in some Korean sesame oil. Now This is the garlic ginger. Also, we can put it in. Let me double check the brightness. Okay, still all right. And these are the veggie. Put it in as well. One thing I like about Korean dish is they always serve together with a lot of veggie. Yeah, and these are the meat slices. I cut it earlier. So you want to mix everything nicely together. One thing very interesting about Korean dish is that they will actually marinate and then just stir fry straight away. When they stir fry, they no longer will add any more condiment or seasoning, because all seasoning and condiment is already added inside the marination here. See, it gives you some very nice, beautiful reddish color because of the gochujang, the red chili paste. Red chili flakes. Remember, buy chili flakes, not the chili powder. Chili flakes is more fragrant. Okay, so once you have, I don't mind adding a little bit more sesame oil here. Okay. So once you have mixed everything nicely together, you can wrap this using a cling wrap and put it in the fridge to marinate for at least about 2 hours. And make sure right before you want to stir fry, take it out before at least about 30 minutes before. Let it allow it to go back to room temperature. Okay, all right, just like this. Put it inside the fridge for 2 hours. Okay, so you prepare some oil, heat it up. Once the oil heat up, you can actually put in the marinated meat. Wow, very fragrant. And like I mentioned earlier, you don't have to put in any more condiment or seasoning right now. You just have to stir fry this until it is fully cooked. That's all. You will start to notice there are some juices coming up, some meat juices and also the veggie, the water, the liquid released from the veggie itself. Actually, we are almost done. Look at this. Look at how beautiful it is. I will cover this with a lid and give it another about 1-2 minutes, and it is done. All within 10 minutes. Okay. Just give it a last final stir, and it is done. Oh, look at the beautiful color. Alright, so here's Appa's very simple Korean style fried pork. So spicy fried pork. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.